Hello and welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to show you how to unlock manual mode on your DJI Avata 2 once you've got your FPV3 controller and you've got it all connected. Now once it's connected, that doesn't automatically unlock manual mode. There's a couple of things we need to do in the menu system, so I'm going to show you that right now. So let's pop into the goggles and have a look at what we need to do. So the first thing we need to do is pull right on the joystick to bring up the menu system, go down until we see settings, then we want to click on settings and then go down to control. This is going to bring up all of our different control options. Then we want to click on remote controller, and now we're in the place we need to be. So first off, the first thing we need to do is change the custom mode button down from sport mode to manual mode. So if we go right down to the bottom, if we click on that, we can see we can switch that to manual mode, and that is going to allow us to basically access manual mode. Now it's going to just check to make sure that we've done the changes we need to on the FPV3 controller. If you need to know about that, I do have a separate video on that. So let's just click confirm to tell it that we've done what we need to do. And then now basically when we move this switch from N to S to M, it's now going to actually give us manual mode. But there is actually one more thing that we need to do, so let's go back into the goggles. So when we do this, we don't actually have full manual yet until we go over here. So we need to go into gain and expo and then go all the way down to here till we see the M mode attitude limit. This is basically going to put a limit to how far the drone can actually bank, roll and all of that good stuff. And what we want to do to get full manual is just turn that off, and then that's going to let us move the drone in any orientation, go upside down, flips and rolls, all of that good stuff, which is the sort of main reason that we want manual mode on our Avata 2. So let me just grab my sunglasses. So yeah, that's basically how we unlock manual mode on the Avata 2 and how we can take off that sort of attitude limit so that we can do all the freestyle moves and all the fun manual moves that we want to with our Avata 2. So yeah, now you've done that, go out there, enjoy doing your manual mode. Do make sure that you're comfortable flying in full acro mode before you actually try this to prevent yourself having some crashes. But if you're ready, then go out and enjoy. If you've gained value from this video, consider becoming a member on Patreon, as it's one of the best ways to support the work that I'm doing here. Now I'm also currently working on a cinematic FPV course, so if that's something that you would be interested in, then you can sign up to the waitlist down below to get notified on all the latest developments and information with this course. Now I've also started a weekly newsletter giving you the latest drone news, hot tips and discounts, and you can find all of that linked in the video description down below. And whilst you're down there, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. You should go and check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.